Hello my dear friend, welcome to another video. Leave a like and subscribe at this channel. The first thing you need to do to back your audio is tap right here on screen in configuration, okay? After that, you need to looking for the app. So scroll down or scroll up until you find apps, okay? Right here. When you find apps, tap right here, and after that, you need to find a specific app. So to enable this app, you need to tap right here in your apps, this right side, right here. After that, you need to click in show system apps. After that, you can back and you need to scroll down until you find device care, okay? In letter D. Device care, scroll down, you must click in storage and you will click in clear cache and okay. After that, you will need to install an app. It calls headphone mode off. Open your Play Store and after that you need to looking for this app, headphone mode off. Headphone mode off. Install this app and open. You must to allow many configurations, okay? You can allow all configurations. It have many ads, so wait for a few seconds and jump the ads. And you just need to click right here and fix in advanced. Click here and fixed and click here and fixed. And now it's done. You just need to turn it off your phone, wait for 2 minutes and turn it on again. I hope I help you with this tutorial. Don't forget, leave a like and subscribe at this channel. If you want to help me because of this tutorial, you can leave a super. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video and see ya.